you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on today's deep cleaning video. I am tackling some more spring cleaning in my house, and this is episode 2. I will leave part 1 linked down below and up in the cards if you missed part 1. And I hope this video gives you so much cleaning motivation to tackle your to-do list today. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and let's get right into the mess.
Though I want your touch, baby, you're so
So in episode 1, we did a lot of deep cleaning downstairs, and we are going to finish up the downstairs today by deep cleaning here in the guest room. We're going to do a little bit of cleaning in the studio. I can't fully finish cleaning the studio because we do have some drywall that's kind of like hanging out in there while we're finishing up drywalling the bathroom. And then we're going to do some cleaning in the living room as well. I'm going to be including some shopping footage that I got from Hobby Lobby at the end of this video. I didn't buy anything, but I thought it would be fun to go out and see what kind of spring decor they have and get you guys excited for spring decorating. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video for that. And then I also included a little clip of my Grove Collaborative order that I had gotten in. So I'll do a little haul for you of some of my staple cleaning products as well as some new ones for spring. So I thought I'd share my little Grove Collaborative haul. I just got the box and opened it up. And if you don't subscribe to Grove or you've never heard of it before, I'll leave all my links down below. You guys can get some free products if you want to check it out. But I was stocking up on some of my staple items from them. I like to use their, I'm trying to think if it's like a, trying to get this to focus. I'm trying to think if it's almost like a wand, and that's what I use these for. These just slip onto the wand, and then these are their regular walnut scrubber sponges. I love these. I got 2 packs of those, and then some refills on my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. So what I've started to do is just put this in a reusable spray bottle and mix it with water, and that is my multi-surface cleaning product, instead of buying a bunch of these bottles or a bunch of these bottles. I just use the concentrate and, you know, try to make it a little more sustainable, and actually ends up being less expensive. I do the same thing with the dish soap. I like their dish soap. It is a high performance dish soap, so it lasts for a really long time. A little bit goes a long way. Anti-bac spray, which I like to use in the bathroom, so I can try to eliminate using Clorox wipes. I love these. I know that there's so many other ways that you can clean your disposal, but I like these because they're quick, easy. I can grab one and throw it down the disposal to, you know, make it smell better, declog it, and freshen it up. So I like that. So this is what I purchased. So I bought all of this, and then I got an email a few days before I placed my order saying that I was being offered a free set of Mrs. Meyer's products. So I went ahead and added that really quick to my cart, and this is in the Fresh Cut Grass scent, and I love this scent. It smells super good. But these were free. So that's the nice thing about being a Grove subscriber, is it doesn't cost hardly any money to become one, and you get so many freebies. These freebies just literally paid for the membership itself. So this is what I got. I thought I'd share because I have some serious spring cleaning to do.
Do you ever call back? Do you
So I can't remember whether or not I updated you guys about the couch in here in my last video or not, so if you missed it or if I forgot to tell you, we actually got a new couch here in the living room because Jack had this in his storage unit. It was a brand new couch. He had never used it. Well, he had put it together, but he had really never used it. It was meant to be used in his apartment, and then he ended up not needing it. So we just got basically a brand new couch that was already paid for and has just been hanging out. So I'm really excited that we didn't have to spend like any more money to get a new piece of furniture. Obviously the couch is not like 100% my style, but it's clean and it's new, and that makes it just so much better than what was in here before. So I definitely think that this couch is going to get us through for quite some time, at least maybe. My hope is that it gets us through this house so that when we get a bigger house at some point and we need a larger couch, we don't have to, buy 2 new pieces of furniture. We can just make this work while we live here. So I'm really excited about it. I did have to, and I'm still having to kind of spray it down with some Febreze fabric spray, just like I'm doing here with the rug on the floor. I had to clean the rug because Josie sometimes has little accidents. So I'm just using like a carpet cleaner and then some baking soda that I'm going to vacuum up to really freshen up the carpet. But the couch also had a little bit of a, not like a stench, but it smelled like it had been sitting in, a storage unit, and it didn't smell very fresh. So every now and then I've been throwing some Febreze fabric spray on it just to kind of give it new life. And I know that it helps a lot if you wash your like cushion covers or your pillow covers. So I threw those in the laundry as well. Just, those little things that make the room smell extra fresh.
Together you, oh you. Wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
I actually enjoyed vacuuming this rug by hand like this with a handheld vacuum because I was able to kind of see where I really needed to like dig in a little bit to get all of that baking soda up. The baking soda just kind of helps to absorb any odor. So I did the, spot treatment across the whole rug, and then the baking soda helps with odors. Very similar to like a Febreze fabric spray, but I am so excited to eventually one day get a carpet cleaner. I have it added to our wedding registry, but I feel like a carpet cleaner with a pet especially is so important. And the carpet that's upstairs in the 2 upstairs rooms in the house are really dark carpet, so I feel like you can't see if there's stains or anything. I feel like stains will probably hide very well, which is great, but it's also probably really disgusting. Like, I'm sure the first time I carpet clean up here, it's going to be just really nasty, dirty, gross water. So I'm very excited at some point to get a carpet cleaner.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
last little bit of cleaning that I'm going to do is in the studio, and like I said, I can't really deep clean this entire room right now because you can't see it in the camera, but on the left side of where the camera is, we have a bunch of drywall sheets that are just kind of hanging out in here while we're finishing up drywalling the bathroom upstairs. We just wanted to store them somewhere where they would not get damp, so this is the room that we decided to put them in. But I'm giving the piano a wipe down since I have piano students constantly touching the piano all week long. I want to make sure that it's super clean. I'm just going to wipe down a few surfaces in here, and then probably once the drywall is all out completely, I will go back in and do baseboards and stuff because I'm sure that there is plenty of dust on the baseboards behind where the drywall is.
Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let me know. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I.
All right, now that everything is relatively clean downstairs, I'm going to show you guys some of my footage from when I went shopping at Hobby Lobby the other day. They had not as much spring stuff out as I thought they would. I don't know if it was because it was the weekend and so it was a little bit picked over, but they had lots of pretty things out still. Plenty of stuff for Easter if you decorate for Easter, and they also had plenty of spring stuff as well. Lots of wreaths and things like that. They had a huge section of bunny rabbits, and I didn't put all of them in here because I just feel like, you know, that's way too many bunnies, but I did get a couple clips of some of my favorite little signs and favorite bunnies that I did see. And I know for a fact that I have from Hobby Lobby at least a couple of different bunnies, and I have some packs of the carrots that they sell, and I know that they sell these carrots in different patterns and different colors. I think I have some with like a paisley pattern that are like blue, and then they also had like your standard like orange carrots as well, so depending on what you use to decorate with. I thought the little bunny wreath here was so cute. I wish that it had a bit more color, and apparently they have one that's shaped very similarly to that at Target, but that is much more floral and colorful looking, so I'll have to go and see if they have it at my Target. But they also had some stuff out for summer, lots of, you know, like cookout stuff, lemonade, a lot of porch decor if you have like a porch. And I had to get a clip of this little section here, which I'm assuming must be for like a homeschool room if you do like homeschooling. They had this cute little set of table and chairs, and then these really sweet little signs or posters that you could put up on the wall if you do homeschooling. I thought that was really cute. But they had lots of pillows. Again, these are, I believe, the indoor-outdoor ones, so great for porches if you have like a front porch or a back porch. And lots of signs that would also be really good for a porch. This stuff just screamed porch decor to me. But anyway, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed the cleaning motivation and a little bit of, you know, shopping inspiration here at the end. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you go. I would love to have you, and I'll see you guys again really soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.
So